Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through how to install the Easel Driver on a MacBook. The Easel Driver is what allows your machine to communicate through your computer to Easel. So you'll need it if you're going to try to connect any computer to Easel and carve with it. So to start, you're going to want to open a project in Easel. Any project will do. And at the top of the page, you'll see it'll say Machine. If you click on that, you'll get a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Drivers and Post-Processors. When I click on that, it opens up a new tab, and you'll see Easel Driver at the top, and then below that it'll say Download for macOS, and then it'll say version 0.4.4. If your version differs from this, say it's 0.4.5 or 0.4.6, nothing's wrong, it just means that the driver has been updated since this video was recorded, and you should be able to install it exactly the same as being demonstrated in this video. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and click on this green button, and that's going to start the download. It should only take a couple of seconds for it to download. Once it's done, from Mac, you're going to want to open the Finder window, and you'll go to your downloads. If it doesn't automatically open into downloads, you can just click on downloads from the left-hand side toolbar, and that'll open your downloads. Here, you're going to want to select the Easel Driver package, and that will start the install. You'll get an introduction explaining what's going on. Go ahead and click on Continue. And then it'll select the destination for you, then click on Installation Type and Install. It'll ask you for your password. And then it'll install the software. Once it's done installing, it'll give you a summary that it has been installed. You can go ahead and close it. Macs typically ask you if you want to move the installation file to the trash. It's totally okay to do that. You can move it to the trash and then trash it. And then before you go back to Easel and try to connect your machine or start carving, I would recommend restarting your computer. That'll help the Easel Driver take full effect. And then when you connect your machine, the Easel Driver will be ready to go. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.